Hello all, in today's video we will learn how to develop a pop-up model using LWC. So let's start. First of all, I will open my VS Code and will create one component. So press Ctrl Shift P on your keyboard if you are using Windows or Linux, and Command Shift P if you are using Mac. So let's click on create lightning web component. Here we will give the name of the component, which is Modal Popup, and press enter. As you can see, this component is created. Now here in this component I will write some text, hello world, and now we will try to embed this child component into the parent component. And before doing that, first of all, I will also create a CSS file as well, because we will require it in the next video. So let me create a CSS file as well. Now in this CSS file I will write some, let's save it, and in this tweet ideas.html we will try to call this child component. So here I will call the child component just before this closing template tag. So first of all we have to write the namespace. So it is a default namespace, which is why I am writing C, then hyphen, after that the first word, which is modal. Then as you can see, we are using the camel case naming convention. That is why the whenever the first capital letter is encountered, we will write this hyphen and then the next word, and we will close this component. So this is how you can use a child component into a parent component. Now let's try to deploy this source to org, and this as well. I think first of all we need to deploy the child, then we can deploy the parent. So deploy child to org, and after that we will deploy the parent. Let's see if it is deployed or not. It is failed. Let me see what is the issue with it. So here you can see we have created a modal pop-up CSS file, and it is empty. It can't be empty, so we have to write some CSS in it. So I will write some CSS as a placeholder. Now I will deploy this modal pop-up to org, and after that I will deploy this tweet ideas. Let's wait for it to deploy. As you can see, it is deployed. Now I will deploy this parent component. It is also deployed. Now let's go back to our org and see if it is visible or not. So I will refresh the page, and as you can see, hello world is already coming here. So we are able to show the child component on the parent component. Now what we will do, we will write the code to open this pop-up. Like you can see here, this is the pop-up which we need to design. So first of all we will write the code to show the pop-up, and then we will do the styling of it. So I will search for SLDS modal in Google, and will click on the first link. After that I will scroll down to this footless and will copy this code. The whole code I will copy, and after copying this code I will go back to my modal popup.html. I will remove this hello world and paste the complete code. Why isn't copied? Let me copy it once. Okay, now it is copied. Let me paste it. Now you can see complete code is copied. Let's save it and deploy this source to org. Now when we refresh the page, we must see a pop-up on the screen. as you can see, this pop-up is visible. So we don't want this pop-up to be visible every time. When a user click on this copy button, then only this pop-up should be visible. We will do that styling later, but first of all, we also don't want this header as well. So we will remove the content which is rendering this header. So let me go to this. We also don't want this button as well. So I will remove this button tag and then this header tag. After that, let's save it and deploy to the org. Let's refresh the page. Now you can see we are able to remove the header. Also, if you see this top border, it is flat, it is not rounded. In this example, you can see it looks more beautiful. So let's do the changes. So first of all, what I will do is I will go to this my CSS file and do some styling. So the styling will be what we need to do. So we don't want this h1 tag. We will like change the styling of the modal container. So SLDS modal __ container. Inside it, we want to make the width as 30 rem and max width 100%. Let's deploy this source to org. We have done some changes. We wanted the width to be proper. I will also close this. As you can see, this is taking more space, so we need to make it shorter. That is why I have done the changes. Now let's see. Now it is looking good. And now the next part we want to do is we need to do this styling. First of all, we need to show this this right icon. After that, this all right text, then this text copy to clipboard and the OK button. So let's first of all do one thing. Or what we can do is we will do the styling of this complete component in the next video. Thank you very much.